Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Use 3 pounds of bones, a few carrots, 1 onion, and 3 celery stalks. Trim excess fat but leave some marrow for richness. Add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar to help extract minerals. Roast bones at 400 degrees F for 30-45 minutes for deeper flavor, flipping once. Rinse bones and transfer to a large stock pot. Cover with cold water by 1-2 inches. Add 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns, and a handful of parsley stems. Start with this messy end place before bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then reduce to low so liquid barely moves. Avoid a rolling boil which breaks down clarity and evaporates water too fast. Aim for a soft shimmer. Skim foam for the first 30 minutes to remove impurities and repeat occasionally during the first 2 hours. Maintain a low simmer. Add hot water if level drops below bones. Simmer for 12-24 hours. Beef bones need longer, poultry about 6-8 hours. Longer simmering yields richer gelatin and deeper flavor. Strain through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth and discard solids while pressing gently to extract liquid. Cool to room temperature, then refrigerate uncovered until a skin forms, skim off fat if desired, and store in sealed containers. Cool to room temperature, refrigerate up to 5 days or freeze up to 6 months in portions, using ice cube trays for small amounts. Use 1 cup as a warm base, 1/2 cup in sauces, or sip 8-12 ounces as a nourishing drink. Reheat gently and season to taste.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.